Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the Arabic grammar, in this book AG01, we are taking the last lecture, which is types of nouns and verbs. Before details of that, just for personality development, we also has a mission. So some suggestions are there. Make the life easy for your spouse, children, colleagues, brothers, sisters, and others by forgiving their mistakes. Allah will forgive your mistakes, inshallah, because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam explained that if you will forgive mistakes of other people's, Allah will forgive your mistakes as well. So please think about it. Now we start about different types of nouns and verbs which are available in Arabic. So we discuss what it happens. Classifications. Now we are going to classification of verbs based on the time and nature of it. In English, verbs are classified as past, present, and future based on the time. In Arabic, they are classified into two based on their nature. Two further types are added as well. What it is? Now, you think you have done something, you are doing something, or you are planning in future something. I will do this. You think about it, no? Like this is the time. So Arabic as well they say, but how it happens? The first is madi. Madi means past. So in past tense, the example is fataha. Fataha means he opened. Ana fataha, I opened. Alima, ana alima, I know, I knew. This is your history, your past. Nasara, ana nasara, I helped. These are the mazi examples. Ana I have added especially for my example. Mudare means that the verbs in present or future. But in English, the difference is English have separate words for today or future. These are different in English, but in Arabic, both same word is used for today or future, both. So this is a difference between Arabic and English. Now see example, yaftahu. I add ana. Ana yaftahu. I opens or I will open. Ana yaftahu means I will open, or it may happen I opens. I am opening. This happens. Ana ya'lamu. I knows it, or in future I will know this. So both meanings might happen, but you will know how I can get it, whether it is we are talking about today or future. So this will be in the overall scenario of the overall sentence. You will find it. Yansuru, ana yansuru, I help. Ansaru, or ana yansuru, I will help. For example, so this is for future, and another example. So this is mudari. Now, as I told, types of time as well as in Arabic, another type is further types which is called amrun wa nahyun. Amr means yes, nahy means no. This is used for it. Amr means these are the verbs in which a request or instruction is made to do something. For example, iftah, open it. Your colleague or your employee or your brother or sister, you ask, iftah, please open it. I'lam, please know it. Unsur, please help him or her. Whatever it is like this. Amr means giving instruction or request. Both of them might be used, and actually when you listen, then you know whether it is instruction or request. Whatever it is. Nahi is negative, not to do something. These are example, same words I use, but in Arabic, la, lam, alif, la, it is added, la taftahu, please don't open it. La ta'lamu, please don't know it. La tansur, don't help. So these are negative words are also used. In Quran, you will find a lot of examples of not doing. These are for some unethical activities. But for ethical activities, these appear as instruction or suggestion for you to do this, like this. Okay, we come to classification of verbs in voice as well. Like English, we can classify the Arabic verbs into two types based on their voice. Ma'loom or majhul. Ma'loom means it is verb in active voice. What is active voice? In this voice, the subject, the one who does that task, is described. Like for example, Fataha means he opened. Ma'loom, like it is very clear. Alima, he knew it. Nasara, he helped him. So this is Ma'loom, it is very clear. So this is, in Arabic, this is called Ma'loom. It's very clear to everyone who is listening this thing. Other style of voice is majhul. Majhul means passive voice. Passive voice is that it is not very much clear about it. For example, futiha. Futiha means it was opened. It was opened like this. Ulima, it was known. Nusara, he was helped. So now see the difference. Like Nasara. Nasara means he helped him. Nusara, he was helped. I think he was helped, but it is not very much clear that in reality they helped or not helped. So, but it is just a sort of a confuse that okay, fine, he might help him like this. So you have to please note that the same word in different style have meaning different. Nasara means he helped. Nusara, he might help. Like this. Alima, he knew it about it. Ulima means it was known, but it is not very much clear about it. So these are the differences of types of words in that way. So once you will understand it, whether it is how much clear or not clear, so you will find the meaning, because especially when it is not clear, then you might need to ask further. So this is the differences. But if it is very much clear, then you will not ask again. Both of them are commonly used in the Quran as well, so we will discuss both of them. I give an example. You might have noted that a verb can belong to many categories. For example, fataha belong to 4 categories: mujarrad, salasi mujarrad, mazi ma'lum. At the same times, like this word fataha, fataha has different types. Fataha, he happened. Futiha, it might happen. Or with different mazi, you can see that iftahu, iftahu, open it. La taftahu, don't open it. Similarly, you can say yaftahu, you open it, you are opening it, or you will open it. Or fataha, that you have opened. See, these are the different types. So these types you will have to find in the example. I will come later, but rule is passive voice is usually used when the expressing person does not want to mention the name of the subject due to some reason. These are some reasons, because he might know it. For example, he said that he killed, but he is not giving the name of the person who killed. These are an example. So this happens as well. You will ask that in Quran why these words are used. For example, it might happen in like this, that these people might go to the paradise, or these people might be go to the in hell. Why it appears? This appears because the scenario of that person might change as a result of that to become qualified to go to the paradise. Because right now he's not doing right way, they are doing wrong sins you are taking right now. But might be possible that after future they ignore, and they then a person think that okay, I will not do this, and then he will do only the right way. So might be possible that in future it will go to the paradise. This may happen. Types of nouns as well. Please note that then you'll have to give the practices. Fa'il. Fa'il means the subject doing some verb. For example, fatihun. Fatihun means opener, who open it. Alimun. Alimun, the person who knows. Nasirun. He are the helpers. These are examples. Maf'ul. Maf'ul means who on him some action is taking out. Like maftuhun. Maftuhun means what door or something which are opened. Now, so fatih means the person who opened. Maftuh means the door is become open, like this. Alimun means the person who known. Ma'loom. Ma'loom means the known items. Which item which are known by the another person. This is the opposite. So fa'il is the person who is taking action. Maf'ul is on him this action is taken. Like Mansur. Mansur means the person who is the helped person, and Nasir is the person who are helping him. So this is the difference. Now come to Zarf. Zarf, it is place to time where the verb was performed in passive voice. For example, matbakhun. Matbakh, what is matbakh? It is a cook. Matbakh, or kitchen. The place to cook, which is kitchen. So matbakh. Matbakh means kitchen, simply. So kitchen is what? It is not taking some action and it is against it some action is not taken, but simply kitchen is the place where people just cook there what they want to drink or do something like this. Similarly, maqtal is the place where someone was killed. So these are the locations. Similarly, masharab is the place where people drink water. So masharab means this. So this zarf, you have to know that the location where some action is being taken. Ala is the tool by which a verb was performed. For example, miftahun. Miftah means a tool to open, which is a key. For example, minqab. Minqab, what it is? This is drilling machine. A tool to make a hole. So it is called in Arabic as minqab, with which to drilling some machine. Similarly, misbah. Misbah means lamp, a tool which is used to enlighten. So this is misbah. So these types of nouns you are using. Verbs, you have given the examples. Now we are discussing about the nouns. Then other types are sift. Sift is the objective, the described to attribute of a person doing something. For example, alim, a knowledgeable person you call. Nasir, a helper person, like this. So this is adjective. Like adjective means that some, especially its skills are available there. So these words are used for them. Then tafdeel. Tafdeel, what it means, it describes the comparative and superlative degree of an adjective, which means that the adjective at the extreme situation. In Arabic, a single word is used for both of them. For example, a'lamu. Alim means the most knowledgeable person, or relatively more knowledgeable person. For example, a'lamu means this. Ansaru. Ansar means the best helper in the life, or relatively a better helper. This might happen. It's the meaning. All of them are commonly used to in the Quran. All these words I have given, especially selected in the Quran, so that you memorize the meaning of these words. Now, what we will do, a lot of commonly used words in the Quran, so it will give a help for you. And kindly, just a suggestion for you, a question for you. What is backbiting? What is its impact on the society? Think about it. I have given an article and also shared with you the meaning in the Quran, that what happened as a result of that. Think about it. Now, I have given especially different types of nouns and verbs. Types we have discussed you already. These are the nouns: fa'il, maf'ul, zarf, ala, sift, tafdeel, all we discussed. Similarly, for verbs we discussed ma'loom, majhool, madi, madare, amr, nahi, like this. So now this is a challenge for you. The question is that this word I have given the meaning. You have to tell that what is the category of this word. Like the qala means he said. So this fa'ala, mazi, malum. Fa'ala, like he take an action. Mazi, he did in a past. Malum, like it's very clear. Qala, he said. he said this. Similarly, khatama, he sealed. Khatama. So let me know what type of verb it is. Khulika, he was created. So now let me know what is the type of verb on that. So a lot of them examples are there. So this is kafirun. These are a noun, denier, ism, file. A man, the person who is taking action. So you have to identify that what type of noun or verb it is there. So please note it. This will help you to, whenever you will read the same word in the Quran or any other books, so you will find the meaning on that. So this will happen. And then with these practices you have to do this, and a lot of that you will get it. So these are the examples. Please try it, inshallah. In the next book, next module, AG02, you will study that you will learn some basics of Arabic grammar in the module. In the next one, you will study further concepts of Arabic grammar. Some highlights are available for you: proper and common nouns, Arabic phrases, pointing nouns, Arabic sentences, Arabic numbers, prepositions, conjunctions, and exclamations, and direction and relations. So these we will discuss inshallah in the next lecture. And these books, this bibliography is available. Whenever you would like to study in Arabic books, you can download it and read it whenever you will like. So in our program you can see that what the design of our these courses. Right now you are studying Quranic Arabic, but also you will have Quranic studies, Hadith, Islamic jurisprudence, Islamic history, bibliography, then research methods, comparative studies. All of them are available for you, and most of them are available in Urdu, but some of them are still available in English as well. So you can get it. So I will also suggest that start also now the book AG01. These are some assignments available for you, that Arabic sentence is available to you, and meaning of each word is also giving to you. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to give the translation of these words. I shared with you one example, like start with Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. What is Bism? Bism means simply name. Allah, you know that the name of God in Arabic. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahman means Rahman, a God that the beneficent. Ar-Rahim means eternally merciful. So now please translate the whole sentence. It means Allah, the name of Allah, who is beneficent and kind, and His eternally merciful for us. This is the meaning. So please now give the practice of all the words. This book is available in AG011. Huge examples are available. You have to do this, and a lot of them also reserve the translation as well. So now what will happen, that I have given the meaning as well in English. So you have to match that for which English word has contact with the Arabic language. So this is the book. Now please try it. You will take a mistakes, no problem, but it will improve your skills. If you don't have download, all of these books are available in these links, and whatever questions appear in your mind, send to me in the email. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.